Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Auto Spa. I'm just doing a quick video. My wife's chair is pretty dirty. As you can see, this thing's a couple years old. So I figured I'd use my new Bissell little green HydroSteam and get it cleaned off. So what I'm going to be using to clean, to pre-treat, I'm going to be using the 3D upholstery shampoo. So for those that don't know me, I do car detailing. That's why I have a lot of car detailing products. But they work great for any upholstery. Then in the machine, I've got the Zep pet carpet shampoo, so I use this in my house as well. Now this does create steam, and Bissell says if you're not going to use a shampoo in it, to use distilled water, because you can get buildup in the steamer. But if you are using shampoo in it, the shampoo kind of negates that buildup effect, and it is fine in the steamer. They commented on my other video about it. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. This is more of just like an ASMR type video. It's nice to see things get clean. So that's what we're gonna do. Unedited, just straight video. Go ahead, hit the back too. I'm gonna go ahead and get this started up because this has a light that comes on when the steam's ready. So not too loud either, which is nice. I think the steam takes about 30 seconds or so. Lights on, steam's ready. Let me know in the comments how long that was. There we go. So you get water and steam. The steam is hot. See the change in color already. Do one more pass. And get some nasty spots inside here. Alright, we'll do one final dry pass. Get any of the excess liquid up without squeezing the trigger. And there we go. Aside from the ink stains, it's like a new chair again. Sure, she'll be happy. I'm going to dry off here. This is what we got for dirty water out of that chair. Pretty disgusting. The steam in this thing really makes a difference. You can probably see I've got an older video where I used the Pro Heat one, which just keeps the water warm, but this one actually heats it up and makes it steam, and you get all this nasty crud out of it. It is pretty foamy, probably because of the pre-treatment I used. But you can adjust that as well as adjust the amount of soap you keep in the tank. But I'll put a link to this machine and all the products I use in the description down below. Let me know how you guys like this video if you want to see more of just cleaning videos with this thing, because I enjoy using it. I'll find any excuse to use it. So that's all I got. Thanks for watching.